Hey viewers, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. This is our new project. It's a 1984 Pontiac Fiero. According to the New York State inspection, this thing has been sitting since 2012. It currently does not run yet, but it will. I apologize for the wind noise if there is any. So it's a little rough around the edges. I had the marker lights in the car, which I'll show you in just a minute. The interior is actually not too bad for being a 1984. This even has the speakers in the headrest. There is no headliner, which I'll have to see what I can do about that. This was just a little while ago stuck in gear. There's the dash, a little cracked up, but other than that, it's not too bad. I got it unstuck. So there's the gears. It even has a factory radio. So this is really the only spot that I see that's screwed up besides the headliner, of course. This one is the 4-speed manual. So I think it'll be a fun little project car. And if it turns out that it's too rotted out underneath, I can easily point the car out and recuperate some of its parts for others. Now that mirror, as you can see, is a little damaged, but that'll get fixed. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens. Okay, so we got it unstuck. I got it out. Took a tow rope in my Tahoe and pulled it out. So here it is. The battery is trashed. The clutch pedal was stuck to the floor, and I think that might just need a new master cylinder. Not 100% sure. The battery lives right there. I gotta pull that out. I'm gonna borrow their tools because I forgot to grab mine, like a dummy. But it's all here, minus the air tube to go out. That goes right here to the wheel well. So now it's out. This right here is a imperfection in the body there. Looks like somebody just whaled their knee a few times there. Don't know if the seat moves. I did get it unstuck from gear, because that was stuck in gear. I'll try to pop that. So the car only has 66,642 and a fourth. So this one has the 4-cylinder, which I think, what is it? The Iron Duke, I think they said it was. Not a very powerful motor. It's not the greatest motor in the world either, but it seems to be all here. The throttle was stuck. I did a little work off camera, so that's unstuck now. Pop this up. The master cylinder is empty. The clutch master is empty as well. So, but hey, we got washer fluid. That's a plus, right? Definitely lots and lots of pine needles, because it's sitting right below a pine tree here. So, And this one does have the sunroof, which comes up out. The floor pans are good. They're not rotted out. Like I said, it's just going to take a little TLC and hopefully I can get it running. Like I said, it has been sitting since 2012, so I may take all 4 spark plugs out and see if I can turn the motor over by hand, just to see if it turns over. And if it doesn't, then I'll put some Marvel Mystery Oil or just some regular old motor oil down the cylinders and let it sit and work at it. Like I said, I did have the throttle body that was, the throttle body was stuck, and I got that unstuck. So there's that cover there for that side. That side's there. So little crack in the taillight here, and it's missing the license plate lights. It's got the actual bulbs, but it's actually missing the things that go up top. So there she is, guys. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think I should do with it. And of course I got chickens. So yeah, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of the car. It's going to be the Hyundai, because I'm picking it up for $100, and it's a Fiero. So let me know what you think of the name. I know it's kind of janky, but I think it'd be something fun. Could be a little family project. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Ring the bell and set your notifications to all. But anyway, have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one.